Guys, welcome back. So today we are going to talk about Chrome browser. A lot of people are using a lot of browsers on their computer or MacBook, right? I would say Windows and Mac. So the popular browser is a Chrome browser, which we always use for searching and for opening the email. So I'm going to show you something here about the Chrome browser. So let's say when you open a Chrome browser, you go to your profile and you are here. Normally, what happens whenever you open a Chrome browser, it is not signed in with your email or Gmail account, right? If it is signed with your Gmail account, you will go and see a lot of other stuff which are already you have been navigated or you have been visited those sites, and sometimes you get really frustrated because all these websites which you have opened in the past have a lot of data captured. Your personal data is in their cookies, actually in your cookies, and using that cookies they know what you are actually and what you are going to search. So in that sense they keep your track, and sometimes you don't want that to be tracked. For instance, if I'm looking for a flight, for instance, if I go to google.com and I'm looking for a flight, right? Let's say I'm going to looking for DFW to LAX, right? And if I'm logged in, this all data will be saved in my cookies, right? And if I click this Spirit Airline, so when I go to the Spirit Airline and I open this thing and I say, okay, I want to book this flight and this one, and I say, okay, let's book with Spirit. If I go to spirit.com, you will see it says accept all cookies. And actually, when I go and accept this cookie, what will happen? When I accept this cookie, what will happen? This cookie, this data, whatever I have, they have received from me. Since I'm not signed in, at least my location, my some of my my searches, they Spirit Airline keep that track, right? And how they keep that track into my computer. So I will show you what you can see behind the Chrome browser and how you can delete those data or cookies. So next time when you visit this website, it doesn't know that you have already visited that, right? So it's a good idea to delete your cookies. So when you right click on your, on your actually page, wherever page you have opened, right, spirit.com, and you click inspect, right? In the inspect, you see all this garbage on the right side. I would say the garbage because the people who are not technical, they will not know what is this. This is actually the HTML code. But let's say if you want to go and look at the cookies, where are these cookies saved? You will go and actually let's move it to the bottom side, you know downwards. So I'll just move this here down, and you go in the application tab. In the application tab, you will see the cookies here, right? If you expand this cookie, you will see this spirit.com, right? And this spirit.com is actually saved a lot of information about you. If you scroll down, it has saved your geolocation, where are you located, your country, and your sometime you visited numbers, and a lot of other data which you even don't know, right? So next time when you visit, it knows that who you are. So in order to get rid of this thing, what you can do is you can right click on this spirit.com and clear that. Once you clear, all the data is cleared. And when you close this, and let's say I'm coming back to this website again, if I refresh this, you will see it will again say accept cookies because it doesn't know that who you are, right? So most of the time we have to accept cookies, because if we don't accept cookies, it will not let us shop on that website. So you can accept the cookies, but again, if you want to delete the cookies, you can go and right click and you go to inspect element. In the application tab, you can right click on that and clear this cookie, and all the data of spirit.com will be cleared. Similarly, you can see the all these website you have visited, you can clear all these things if you want, right? All these data. The next option is, this is the best one you can do, right? The next is, let's say if I go and refresh this, right, and I accept all these cookies, there is a there's a button here which says view site information on your URL in your address bar. Next to the starting the prefix of the address bar, you will see this button. You can click this button and you can see cookies and site data. When you click that guy and you see manage on device site data, you will see this site sprit.com and sprit is there. You can delete these two, and even if you want to delete all the cookies, you can just click delete, and when you click done, now this is gone. Let's say if you refresh this page or you open a new tab and you write sprit.com, uh, sprit.com, and if you do go there, it doesn't know who you are. That's why it's giving you the option accept all cookies again. So the thing what I'm saying is this is the option where you can delete your cookies from here, or you can right click and inspect element, and you can go into the application tab and you can delete the cookies from here. So this is the very good option that you want to delete your all cookies which is stored in your computer. So next time when you visit those websites, they will not remember you, right? And you see some people want to know how to delete the history. There are a lot of history where you visited these sites. You can delete that as well if you want. You can go in the history, show full history, and then you can check all these boxes and you can delete all these things as well, right? You see delete. So the history will be deleted like that. So you can go to Chrome colons double slash history and then you can delete the history. So next time when you visit, it's completely clean browser, right? So you can delete your history and you can delete your cookies. Cookies are very important to delete if you don't want that your browser should remember you or the website should remember you, especially the website. And the second thing is, in case if you are looking for new flights or you are searching for a new product or something and you don't want that your computer should track you, always open the incognito browser. How you can open the incognito browser? In the Chrome, you see these three dot and there is a new incognito window. So when you click incognito window, it will open like a fresh browser. And if you go to like sprit.com, it won't know that you have been visited here. That's why you see the accept all cookies. Okay. So even if you accept that and you open this again, it will give you can close this guy, you can close this guy, right? And then let's say you close everything, right? Chrome browser, quit. And if I open a fresh new browser, Chrome browser, yeah, here you go, right? And I can right click on that and I can say new incognito window, right? So this, if I go to sprit.com, so it seems like I'm a fresh user. I'm a new user coming to this website. So incognito browser always take you to new, brand new, it won't capture your data. So if you are searching on incognito browser, it never track yourself. But if you accept cookies, then it will save on your computer. So I'm just saying that you can accept cookies, go and do the shopping, and after your shopping, delete your cookies, right? Thanks very much. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see more behind the screen in the next lecture. Thank you. Have a good day.